Raw papaya is a humble vegetable packed with numerous health benefits. Today, we will be making a flavorful dry raw papaya dish that's both healthy and delicious. Welcome to Ranna Roshmita. Let's dive into our recipe for Masala Papita Sukha. To begin, we will make our aromatic Sukha Masala. For this, you will need dry red chilies, coriander seeds, white sesame seeds, and some peanuts. Dry roast these ingredients on low heat until they are well toasted and fragrant. Once roasted, let them cool completely, then grind them into a coarse powder using a blender. Now we will work with our star ingredient, raw papaya. Start by peeling and cutting the papaya into medium-sized cubes. Then, in a kadhai, heat some mustard oil over medium heat. Add a dry red chili and some cumin seeds, allowing the spices to temper and infuse the oil with flavor. Once the oil is aromatic, add the cubed raw papaya and diced potatoes. Fry the vegetables on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing them to sear slightly. To give this dish its vibrant color, sprinkle in some turmeric powder and some Kashmiri chili powder. Mix well to ensure the masala evenly coats the vegetables. Add enough water to cover the vegetables, allowing them to cook and become tender. Season with salt to taste and give it a stir. Then cover the kadhai and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the tenderness of the papaya by cutting a small piece. If it's cooked through, remove the lid and increase the heat to evaporate any remaining water. Then, in a separate pan, heat mustard oil until it starts to smoke. Add curry leaves and grated ginger to create a quick tempering. Pour the tempering over the cooked vegetables along with the Sukha Masala you prepared earlier. Stir everything together, ensuring the masala absorbs any excess moisture, turning the dish into beautifully dry curry. Finally, take off the heat and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice for a tangy kick. Give it a stir and we are done. And there you have it, Masala Papita Sukha, a vibrant and nutritious dish with layers of earthy, spicy flavors. Serve it hot with some roti or rice. If you love this recipe, give this video a like, and until next time, happy cooking!